On July 1, 2025, the American Prosperity and Security Act became law, enacting changes to federal tax rates, government spending, and social programs. The law makes the 2017 tax cuts permanent, keeping lower tax rates for corporations and individuals. It increases federal spending on defense and immigration enforcement. The law reduces funding for Medicaid, food assistance, and other social safety net programs. These changes are expected to increase the national debt and modify the distribution of federal benefits. The 2025 law makes the 2017 tax cuts permanent, keeping lower tax rates for corporations and individuals. Corporations continue to benefit from reduced tax rates, while individuals see lower tax brackets and a higher standard deduction. Tips and overtime pay are now tax-free for individuals. The law is projected to increase the national debt and change the distribution of federal benefits. The main beneficiaries are corporations and high-income individuals. The American Prosperity and Security Act reduces funding for several federal social programs. Medicaid eligibility is tightened, making it more difficult for some low-income individuals and families to qualify for healthcare coverage. Subsidies for health insurance under the Affordable Care Act are reduced. SNAP food assistance now has stricter work requirements for recipients. Funding for other social safety net programs is also reduced. At the same time, federal spending on defense and border security is increased. These changes affect eligibility, benefits, and funding levels for millions of Americans. Review your tax withholding to ensure it matches your current income and filing status. Mark important tax deadlines on your calendar to avoid late filing or penalties. If you own property in a high-tax state, review available deductions and credits. For those using Medicaid, SNAP, or ACA subsidies, check for updates to eligibility and benefits. Locate state programs, clinics, and food banks in your area for additional support if needed. Stay informed about changes to federal and state policies that may affect your finances. Participate in elections and contact your representatives to share your views on policy changes.